Introducing the next generation in the Milwaukee press tool lineup. The M18 Force Logic press tool.
Using the press tool is way better than sweating copper. It's much quicker, it's easier, it's simpler. It's safer. I mean, you don't have open flame, so you don't have any of those hazards.
The press tool is definitely faster. It's a little bit more intuitive than it would be to sweat copper together. So I mean, by using the press tool, I think you can have a little bit more control in tight, narrow spaces. You don't have to worry about the heat.
Press tool is definitely convenient to use in tight spaces and in difficult and cramped quarters that we work in.
It fits in every spot that I would ever need to do it. You can even do it one-handed, you know, open the jaws and boom. If you do it correctly with the press tool, as long as it's bottomed out in there and you crimp it, there's no way it's leaking.
When it comes to smaller and cramped spaces, you can definitely get in there with that press tool a lot easier, especially the way that it's designed, that more straight and narrow version. Obviously alignment is key.
It helps keep you consistent in your pressing.
With the new one, you actually press it, it'll stop right away, which I love about this tool. It's a very dependable tool. Your soldering, not every solder is the same. If you make a crimp with the press tool, every crimp is identical to one another, which is great. Dependability is what you need in this job.
Clearly, it works quite well for quite a long time without having to have any manual servicing of it, so that's great.
Press fittings are kind of an industry standard at this point, so you know, to have a press tool like this out there that's so easy to use, I would certainly recommend it to anybody else.
The press tool, it gets the job done. If you want to be productive, you need the press tool in your array of tools. It's what Milwaukee's about, building the best, and they're the best at what they do.